Hi, my name is Robbie Jernigan. I'm a chaplain for my local fire department. Some of the work that I do is to respond to motor vehicle crashes, medical calls, and fires. I'm there to assist as an EMT, which I am also an EMT and and a certified firefighter. I assist in that aspect, but I'm more focused on my chaplain work. I'm there to be available to the first responders, both on emergency scenes and at other times for their spiritual and emotional needs. I'm also on emergency scenes to assist citizens who are affected by whatever's taking place. The chaplain role is really a bridge between a local church or a number of churches in a local community and a hurting citizens in that community. We're going to be having a training October 26th and 27th to train additional chaplains. We hope that you'll be able to join us. It's going to be co-sponsored by the Assemblies of God Theological Seminary in Springfield and also the Assemblies of God Chaplaincy Office. So we hope you'll be able to join us for that training. It's October 26th and 27th of this year. Some of the topics that we're going to cover are going to be the history and basics of emergency services chaplaincy. 2, we're going to cover ministry on an on-scene emergency. What to do, what not to do, how to fit in as being part of the 911 response team. Third, we're going to talk about emergency services funerals, which tend to be a little bit different than your average funeral. You need to know and understand those concepts. 4, developing departmental guidelines for how chaplain ministry works. The department has written guidelines of how it functions in other areas, and so chaplain ministry needs to also be included in those SOG, Standard Operating Guidelines. 5th, we're going to talk about ministry to a suicidal subject. We're going to talk about prevention of suicide, intervention of suicide in a suicidal situation, whether it be threatened, attempted, or actually completed suicide, and then postvention or actions after a suicidal situation. We're going to talk about ethics, the ethics of a chaplain and self-care. We're also going to talk about critical incident stress management. This is a concept of helping people who've been psychologically impacted by an event. That may be a first responder or citizens. Next, we're going to talk about psychological first aid, which is similar to CISM and yet deals more with the citizens themselves. We're also going to talk about death notification. 24 steps of how to give a proper death notification, often with a law enforcement person with you. In the event of the death notification of a departmental member or personnel, it would likely be the chief of that department with you. So we're going to cover these topics on October 26th and 27th. You really do need to register, so send me an email at robbiej@ipa.net. That's robbiej@ipa.net. We'll communicate together. We'll get you registered, and then the seminar is actually going to be offered on a donation basis, and so we can communicate with that through the emails. If you're not able to join us for the actual in-classroom experience, we also offer chaplain training over the internet. Go to our website, www.emergencychaplains.org. That's chaplains, chaplains.org for more information. The chaplain ministry is really a great opportunity to expand the influence of the kingdom through emergency services. We hope you'll consider it. God bless.